When it comes to changing brake pads, the front brake pads are prioritised ahead of the rear ones. It's generally accepted that the rear brake pads often do less work and therefore would last twice as long as the fronts. In modern cars, that's no longer the case. Traction control, stability programs and electronic brake force distribution systems found in today's new cars use the rear brakes just as much as the fronts, often without us realising it. Most modern cars are now equipped with electronic brake force distribution alongside standard anti-lock braking systems. Electronic brake force distribution vary brake pressure between front and rear wheels, depending on speed, road conditions and how hard the driver is braking. Often this clever technology uses the rear brakes to stop the front of the car from diving under initial brake application. It prevents excessive weight transfer to the front, stabilising the car and providing a better ride for passengers. In rear-wheel drive cars, clever stability programs are used in place of a differential by braking the inside or outside rear wheels to improve handling and traction. Electronic stability control programs also brake the inside rear wheel to prevent understeer in emergency situations. In 4x4s with automatic hill descent features, each wheel is individually braked without input from the driver. Front and rear brakes are independently used to maintain a specified speed, going downhill in slippery off-road conditions. This results, you guessed it, in rear brake pads wearing down sooner than expected. Bendix brakes are suited to modern car technology. Combined, they offer exceptional on-road safety. Make sure to check your rear brake pads, calipers and rotors and ask your mechanic for Bendix brakes at your next service.